Welcome to the channel. If you're using Duolingo to learn a new language but find the notifications too frequent or distracting, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage and customize your Duolingo notifications. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom and tap on the profile icon. Then, on the top right, tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on notifications. Now you'll see a list of all the notification types Duolingo offers, such as reminders, announcements, leaderboards, and more. To adjust any of them, tap on the category you're interested in. For example, if you tap on announcements, you'll find options like news and promotions. Each notification type has two icons next to it. The message icon controls email notifications, and the phone icon controls push notifications. You can tap either one to turn them off. Repeat this process for any other notification types you'd like to manage. Once you're satisfied with your changes, tap the back arrow in the top left corner of the screen. Finally, make sure to tap Done in the top right corner to save all your notification settings. And that's it. In this video, we walked through how to take full control of your Duolingo notifications. Now you can learn at your own pace without unnecessary interruptions. Thanks for watching.